Hello, my name is Bill Windsor, Technical Support and Programmer for Windsor Graphics. Windsor Graphics is pleased to offer musicfestivalsuite.com to festivals across Canada. You are watching this video because you are a festival volunteer or employee that subscribes to Music Festival Suite. This video will explain how to back up your festival's data and best practices for backing up your data effectively. Please note that while this video walkthrough is meant to help you, it is not going to be an extensive look at the system. For more refined details, read the printable musicfestivalsuite.com administration manual available on the subscribing festival pages at www.musicfestivalsuite.com. When you run a backup of your version of Music Festival Suite, absolutely all data is saved. Your subscription settings, your administrative users, your class settings, your users, and all the people they're linked to, your registrations and scheduling you have completed, all your marks, even the settings of your waivers and competitor cards, it is all saved for you. As said before, we allow a maximum of 10 backups. Imagine you want to make a backup copy of some important documents. In this case, your festival's Music Festival Suite data. You might photocopy it and place it in a folder, then put the folder in a file cabinet in case it's ever needed. Music Festival Suite has a total of 10 such folders, and we label those folders based on the last digit of the date you ran a backup. Say it's January 8th when you run a backup. That photocopy will be placed in folder number 8. Say the next time you run a backup is January 21st. That photocopy will be placed in folder 1, as the last digit of that date is 1. Say the next time you run a backup is February 1. Music Festival Suite will replace what is already in folder number 1 with the new data from February 1. It's important to recognize that if you do not run a backup for a long time, and there are many changes to your user profiles, many registrations entered, or a whole bunch of work has been done in scheduling, you may not be able to recover all that lost work. Therefore, we recommend you make a schedule for running your backups and stick to it. When your festival is not in a very busy period, such as during the summer, backups may only need to be run once a month. But once your registration period is open, you may want to change it. Perhaps a backup need only be run once a week in the first half of the registration period, as that tends to not be the busiest time, but backup with increased frequency towards the end of your registration period. Similar schedules for running backups can be maintained during the time in which your volunteers are entering the schedule. It is highly recommended that while the festival is underway, you run a backup every night to save extra copies of any marks that may have been entered. Remember that Music Festival Suite software will only save one backup each day, the last one you happen to run. If you run a backup 5 times on February 5th, it will only hold on to the last backup. If you need to see further details of what is available in each of the various menu features of Music Festival Suite, refer to the MFS Admin Manual available on the subscribing festivals pages of www.musicfestivalsuite.com. If you need an answer not provided in the manual, please feel free to send your questions to support@musicfestivalsuite.com. You now have your festival subscription completely set up, ready to connect with your users. Thank you for viewing this administrative tutorial video.